Like, dude, like, why, man? Shut the fuck up. God damn, dude. Mhm. Yeah, what's up, Alfred? Mm. 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 Mm.
Next week, but I still get a lot of work from my phone.
Hold on. Go ahead. Goddamn, Silver. You know what? That's the kind of bullshit right there, dude. Like, come on, dude. Come on. Like, what was like? Oh my god. All right, man. All right. What's going on with Tradevate right now? I'm not surprised by that. Says some people can't even open up a chart. Mm. And they'll probably get bought up right here. You gotta be fucking kidding, man. Man, you gotta be. Oh my god. Oh my. You gotta be kidding, man. Mm. You gotta be kidding, man. Mm. 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 Honestly, it's just the. Wow. Man, all right, Silver. I mean, come on, dude. Come on. Come on with the bullshit right now. Come on with the bullshit right now. Mm. Mm, damn, Silver. It's like that. It's like that. The break even. It's like that. Mm, damn, dude. Mm, damn. Damn. Okay. Damn. I mean, the Bulls are trying. Makes me think that this can flush even more. Okay. Nice.
Sticky. Hi.
Honestly, when it gets like that, it's like, dude, it's like, what the hell's even going on, man? What the hell is even going on? Nothing is even making sense. All right, man. All right. Mm. Yeah, I mean, when it gets like this, nothing's not even making sense. You just gotta love, like, dude. I don't know what the hell's going on right now. I really don't. Like, that's this. It's interesting that gold pull. I mean, not gold. Silver just pulled back just enough to stop me out, and then go in my direct. I mean, my God, dude. Okay. Well. Okay. Uh. Okay. I mean, I guess you gotta love to see this shit. Another max daily loss in this account. I mean, I don't know, man. That's just crazy. That price just keeps coming back just enough to stop me out and then go in my direction. Like, I mean, I guess I had a chance to take profits here, but I just didn't want to. But well, Piss me off, man. Man, that just sucks, man. Alp, are you a short or something or what? Payout fever strikes again, huh? I mean, you got paid from the account, so I mean, it's not a total loss. You just have to start over with your time, or use the payout that you just got to reset the account. Which, I mean, honestly, I don't even think is a bad idea. I don't think that's a bad idea. You got a big enough payout to still be profitable and to reset the account, so you don't have to start over with your time. But I wouldn't restart it now. I wouldn't do that. You said it's not payout fever system issue? Well, I mean, maybe they if it's a system issue, maybe they'll restore the account. Maybe they'll restore the account unless they send out some correspondence saying that you're trading at your own risk. And you doubt it? Man, what's the worst they're gonna tell you is no, right? They're not gonna beat you up and tell you no. So what's the worst they can do, right? Mm. I mean, it's always a gamble. I hate Silver, man. Silver, I hate you. I hate you so much. I hate you, Silver. I hate you. 745. So, what happened though? I mean, you weren't able to close out the position or something, or I mean, what happened? Mm. You said it entered you into too many positions. How the hell did that happen? You mean like it entered you into too many contracts? Now you want to work? You know what, Silver? Now you want to work? Come on, man. That's some bullshit, man. That's some bullshit. Now you want to fucking work. Now you want to work. Now you want to work. Now that I'm in the practice account, huh? Stupid bitch. Now she wants to work. How many times I tried to shorten this stupid shit just for it to short anyway? Man, I doubt that it takes out that current low right there. Yeah, it's gonna push back up. Hmm. Man, I really gotta. I gotta find an account, man. I gotta find an account. I'm not buying any more accounts. I'll probably buy like a 150K probably. To trade on Fridays because I'm not gonna trade my funded accounts. And I thought about what y'all guys said last night about the gold. So man, I'm just gonna trade 1 mini and try to get the third. Man, I don't want to trade for 13 points though. I really don't. So I'm just gonna have to either accept trading for 10 points or understand that potentially if I'm not well positioned, I can potentially get stopped because 13 points, that's kind of over 10 points is kind of a gamble with gold if you're not positioned correctly. It's kind of a gamble. I mean, I looked, gold just moves so much now. It's kind of ridiculous how much gold moves now. She just moves so much. It's kind of hard to, well, it's not hard, but it's definitely a challenge to keep up with the current lows and highs. It's definitely a challenge. I have to make sure I have the lows and highs marked out on the chart, so I know when to go long and when to go short. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely welcome the gold. I mean, not the gold. The metals just to just calm down just a little bit. Damn, just calm down. Calm down. Yeah. So if I took that trade, all right. Let me see. If I took that trade, 34. I would have got my target hit, but just barely. Just barely. Like it literally ticked me. So I think what I'm gonna do is I just go for 10 points, I guess. Wow, nice stop outs, dude. What, man? Wow. 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 Mm. Huh. Wow. Dude, I do not know what the hell is going on right now. How many times did silver literally come back and stop me out and then go in my direction? How, you know, honestly, that's a cognitive dissonance for me right now because that usually does not happen. Silver's like, well, I guess when well, I guess when I kind of get in aggressively, it happens. But still, like that's kind of crazy. Like, how the hell did it know just to come back and stop me out just to do this? Like, that's just kind of crazy. All right, man. All right. This is why people call this shit what is it called? A stop profit, because why am I getting stopped out? And then price just goes in my direction like that. Like that's kind of frustrating. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know, man. Do I? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. 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 I just don't want to be man, let me see this. Let me see. Hold on, it didn't get filled? Okay. Well, I guess it's just one of those days, right? I just guess it's just one of those days, man. Wow. Just one of those days. One of those days. One of those days. One of those days. I mean, I did that. I did that. Damn, dude. One of those days, man. All right, Silver. All right. It's one of those days. Nothing works. Well, and that can't be right, can it? Oh no, it's not right. My God. Like, dude, that's not right. Not right. Damn it. Damn it. It's not right. Damn. Okay. Damn. 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 All right, this is the major low right here. This is the current major low right there. So I mean, if it breaks that, then oh shit, what's up, Smith? you put it there after. Oh man. Yeah, dude. Man. Hey, what's up, Santiago? Oh, did it? Rips is still streaming right now? I thought I could have sworn he kind of does pre-market. I didn't know he actually streams now. Unless it's a private stream or something like that. Yeah, TPT will probably give y'all accounts back maybe. I don't know. Well, oh. You said, am I gambling? No, I mean, I'm trying not to, but I'm trying not to. It's just frustrating. That is definitely for sure. It's definitely frustrating. It definitely is. Oh, he's gambling now. You talking about like with poker? Or blackjack or something like that? He said 93,015. Slots. Huh. So he's joined that world, huh? You know, that's I used to watch that stuff. I used to watch it. Used to. I like the what's his name? His name is Cody, I believe his name is. But I didn't watch him directly. I watched this dude has a very clever name, dude. It's very clever. OG Highlights or something like that. Yeah, OG Highlights, I think. And I would just watch the clips from his channel. Let me see. But yeah, yeah, dude, these guys are freaking making millions of, you know, I guess I mean, the money's not, it's real money, but it's money provided by their sponsor, whichever platform they're using to gamble with. And they can only take a percentage of it. So they're not necessarily gambling their money, but it is their money technically. Yeah, online gambling highlights, OG Highlights. Yeah, it looks like he hasn't uploaded any videos lately. Looks like now he kind of can pull in views himself and people watch him gamble. Okay. Me personally, I don't want to get into that world personally. So I know once that world grabs me by the hand, well, that's all she wrote. All right, so it just broke the major low now. That major low has been broken. Let me see something real quick, man, because I've been looking at doing this, but I never really tested out. Yeah, put a screenshot in the well, I guess I guess I can do it. I can do it. Alfred, I'm just gonna use your chat. Disregard this message. I'm just gonna use the chat. All right. Yeah. So this is the screenshot that Smith set. He set a limit up here for a retest of this level. It didn't pull back, and it goes on without him. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, it goes without him. Nice. Yeah, I'm looking at yeah, I see it. Yeah, he looks pissed. You said it just our investor see it happened to him on stream. Yeah, he looks pissed. Yeah, he looks pissed. I would be pissed too, obviously. I mean anybody would be pissed, obviously. Talk about rips. Or anyone. Okay. Anybody would be pissed on him. Shit, Silver just basically I don't know, man. It's kind of crazy that Silver just did that. I had the right idea, but for whatever reason, it just kept. I don't know what the hell happened here, man. I don't know what the hell happened. It just seemed like nothing was working, nothing was right. I just hate this abnormal price action. It's just very frustrating. Wow, he lost 50. Hold on, he lost 50K in a trade, or he lost an account that had 50K balance. That is insane. That is insane. And it just really goes to show how the brain works. It doesn't care about the logic behind it. I mean, it's just the fact that it lost 50K, even though Rips probably doesn't even consider that 50K significant for real. It probably does nothing for him financially. A 50K loss is not necessarily going to break his bank, for how I guess I would assume that. But it's just the fact that you lost 50K. No matter, and that's what I'm talking about with the mind. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's like you can convince yourself, oh yeah, I don't need it, but you lost it, and that's all it cares about. You lost it. Yeah, it sucks, man. It sucks. It really does. I mean, the one thing that we can kind of say about these firms is that at least because they know that if they want to stay in business, they're gonna have to absorb when the platforms begin to malfunction. But if it was a live account, you can't you really can't go to your broker and say, hey, the platform messed up while I was in a trade and I lost X amount of dollars. Can you refund that money back? You won't even get a reply. They won't even open the email. They won't even open the email. They'll get lost in the junk folder. Mm, okay. Mm. Oh, shit, I didn't move it in time. Let me see if I can kind of get out of this. Oh, shit, okay. I didn't mean to get in there, but if it's going to work, I meant to get in at like 120. I meant to get in at 120. Mm. Mm. And I can't stand for that. Can't stand for this. Man, yeah, I'm so done with that though. I don't want to do it anymore. So done. I just hate that. Man. I just hate it. Just hate it. Just hate it. Just hate it. Just hate it, man. Just hate it. Huh, interesting. So everybody is in agreement that NQ today is not tradable? Hmm. I mean, I guess for the most part, I think NQ right now is pretty well behaved and structured. That's very interesting that nobody else thinks that. NQ is well behaved today. Look at that. Double bottoms, double tops, breaks of structures, pullbacks, rejections. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I'm definitely in a dilemma right now. I think I canceled. Yeah, I did cancel all my Apex accounts. Never mind. Did cancel all of them. Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can see. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to probably restart the platform and figure it out. Restart it because okay. Well, I mean, if this thing breaks here, Hmm. Hmm. I'm considering, man. I don't know, man. I'm just so tired, man. I'm so tired of the eval wheel. I'm just so tired of it. I just want an eval where I can take multiple trades, but then at the same time be efficient when it comes when the accounts switch over to a funded account. Mm. I don't like the whole idea of taking. So I mean, maybe I should just do a 100K account. Yeah, I guess moving forward, I guess I just do a 100K account then. But you know, obviously I got to make more money. I got to make 6K before I pass the account, which is insane to me in terms of you know what? Never mind. Never mind. I just can't do it anymore, man. I don't want to do it anymore. I guess whenever these firms do like a straight to funded account sale or whatever, I'll just get a couple of those. I'm so done um with the eval stage. I'm just so done with it. If I make 6K, I should be able to take a payout from that, not to pass an account and then have to make another 6K. Just so done with that. Investors, you said that you're starting to look at Bitcoin. Well, you know. Yeah, so dude, like that breakout is usually like a false breakout. That shit usually comes back. I wouldn't even. I think I think I have to start measuring the leg that actually breaks the initial structure instead of. Man, I don't know, man. It's like, dude, this thing trends so much and moves so much now. It's just ridiculous, man. Keeping up with all the breaks of the major lows and the major highs and all that other crap. The current trading range, all that shit. Uh, Mm. Nice. Nice. No. Oh my. Okay. All right, dude. All right, man. Dude, why is this a story of my life today? Why is this the story of my life today, man? I guess I'm being tested. I guess I'm being tested to see if I'm gonna go tilt. I mean, because it just seems like, dang, now gold kind of did it too. This was I mean, I don't know if this is viable anymore, but that would have been it. That would have hit my target. Hmm. Okay. Kind of hate when the market just trends, man. I just hate it. I just hate this. I just hate it. I just hate when the market trends. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, dude. That's so crazy, man. That's crazy. Mm, that's crazy. Hold on, what is this thing doing? Okay. All right, man. Uh, I mean, I guess the only thing that I can say today is that I'm just glad that I had a daily loss limit and that I hit it and the account's locked out because I would have blown my accounts today for sure. It just seems like I'm getting into areas, I'm getting stopped out, and then it goes, it hits targets. Yeah, I guess that's all I can do. Because this thing is just super selling off. I mean, for whatever reason, it's just super selling off. So I guess this could be the start of the metals correcting themselves. So I guess we should just start preparing for that, I guess. Mm. Mm. Damn, gold is like that. It's like that, gold. It's like that, huh? It's like that. No, you better keep on crashing, man. Yeah. Like I said, I'm just glad that I didn't blow any accounts today because that definitely could have happened. Wow, gold. Oh, wow, wow, gold. Wow, wow. The stop out. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Nice. 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 Wow. You said you locked out and you're also using tick charts? Yo, congratulations on that, Santiago. So you're using the fibs? Yeah, I use the fibs for my entries. I just use the closest fib to structure for. Oh, dude, what? Aw, man, that's not even fair, man. That's not even fair. I would have been super pissed, man. Ah, damn, dude. Wow. Wow, dude. Wow. Wow. The fuck is that? Okay. Yeah, I just I use it. Damn, dude. Damn. Cold? Man, that is so frustrating. Like, God damn, that's frustrating. Man, if I was in one of my funded accounts and I get stopped out like that just for it to go in my direction like that. Like, what was up with that? Like, what the hell was up with that? This thing super hits my target, man. God. 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 Oh man. Oh man. So gold and silver both stopped me out of multiple winning positions today. I would have definitely blown a lot of accounts today. A lot of them, or probably all of them, if I didn't have like a daily loss limit or some kind of feature that, you know, stops it from, protects me from myself, because I feel cheated today, man. I feel super cheated today. Super cheated. And that's definitely one of the ingredients for trading on tilt for sure. I mean, good. I mean, shit. Congratulations to anybody that was able to navigate through all this craziness and was able to lock in some profits. Mm-hmm. I mean, I gotta really think about this, man. Like, I really I will overcome this, because these trending days. I mean, I know there's not. It may look random, but I know it's not. I know it's not random. I mean, the markets are moving because of something, and I know they're making measured moves. I just don't know, or I'm just it's just unclear right now. The rhyme and reason for it, because they're not. I mean, I'm trading at structure, but you know, my stops are getting tested. I mean, I understand it is probably swiping more liquidity than it usually would, but well, goddamn, you know. And then like the bounce backs to stop me out, and then to continue to go in my direction, kind of like right here. You see how many times it's like, dude, it tried to stop me out like 10 times just now. What's up with that? And that target ain't good enough. Well, I mean, honestly, I really don't even know where to even target it, honestly. Maybe, I mean, if I can stay in this trade, I can target last week's close at 155, maybe 85, 285. So I mean, honestly, how about this 365 probably? Let's see if we can get 200 ticks out of this thing. I mean, shit, we can probably get more. I mean, I'll probably take out that low, but then at the same time, it could bounce before it does that. I mean, that does make sense. Yeah, this is top step gain weight. Well, god damn it, gain weight, it should be. It should always be fair. It should. There should always be fairness and justice and all that blah blah. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? We had a lot of profitable trades that just turned into losers that could have been super winners. This is kind of giving me it's kind of reminding me of freaking NASDAQ, yo. Like, Silver, what's up? You got off the phone with the NASDAQ or some shit? What's up with that? And I don't know, man. I mean, if this thing pops back up, it's definitely stopping me out. This thing pops up. All right, so I mean, I was up about 118 ticks. Wow. And then it pops up instantly to the break even and to the stop. Okay. You said the market maker model is working today? Well, shit, it ain't working for me. Well, I guess technically, if I just stop moving my target, I mean, it'll get filled, but I don't know what I want to do right now. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I just hate when I get to the funded accounts. I just hate that I can't take I have to bet it all on one trade. I just hate that. I just hate it. I want to be able to take 2 trades a day. But I mean, even then, I mean, the reason why I put it at 1 trade a day is because usually that follow-up trade is a loser. Usually because that first trade will put me on tilt low key because I want to get my money back in the funded account. And then that second trade is highly unlikely to be a winner because I just choose to not be patient and wait for another setup. Okay, well. I do that, game weight. I don't think I'm timid when I take a trade. I don't think I'm timid. I mean, I'm not scared to take a trade. I just don't like the idea that if it's wrong, I have to wait until tomorrow just to get my money back. I don't like that. I'm going to take, so I'm not going to take, because I got 1 trade, Obviously, it kind of forces me to take the best setup. I have to have the best possible entry with enough margin for error to stay in the trade. I can only give myself 27 ticks of risk. I'm not going to. I'm not going. I'm not giving the market 36 ticks. The market can kiss my ass. I'm not going to do it. I'm not. Man, isn't that interesting, man? Isn't that freaking interesting? Man. I mean, you can easily do it on silver too. I was just thinking about that guy. I was thinking about that guy that lost his he had a Top Step account with a 6-figure balance and he blew it. Trading on tilt on silver, trying to get his money back, which is never fun. You said the best setup was the second 15-minute candle down. Well, I mean, you already know I'm not looking at a 15-minute candle. You already know that. But I can kind of see what you're talking about. You know, this is a tick chart. This is like a 100 tick chart. I'm not going to see a 15-minute candle. Yeah, I'm not going to do it. You said that's the point of the problem? The one thing that I will say that I gotta stop not doing is stop looking at my trading view chart. Like for whatever reason, it's like I actively avoid looking at it. Mm. 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 Okay. Nice. Thanks. Nice. Okay. Well, I mean, I'm building this. I'm building it in my head. I'm building it. Uh, 84, 95, 84, 9. 84, 9. Hey, yo, what's up, John? I didn't do well today. I didn't make money in none of my Top Step accounts today. I kind of went on tilt and hit my daily loss limit instantly in all three. And then I turned around and hit maximum daily loss limit in that TFD account. Silver just kept stopping me out and then going in my direction. Silver was like super nasty to me today. And then gold did the same thing to me. Gold did the same exact thing. So I just kept getting stopped out, and then have the market go in my direction after it stops me out today. So that wasn't fun. How's trading going for you? I mean, it's all right. I mean, I didn't lose the account, which is the best case scenario. Tomorrow's my last day trading in the funded account, so I guess I'll just come back next week after some back testing and do better. Yeah. I mean, I know these markets are doing something, man. I know these computers are doing something. It seems like every time I crack the DaVinci code, the code always seems to change. Man, look at gold, man. Yeah, gold is definitely in a correction phase, man. Let me take a screenshot of this, man. This is crazy. I'm looking at gold. Look at gold, man. Look at that correction. Got this big massive move up. It misses the order block, and then it basically trades into all of this area right here. So and then the one thing I hate is that when it rejects off of like fib levels perfectly after it blows the account, but then I get in at fib levels at other times, and I kind of needed to do the same thing where it hits it perfectly and go in my direction. It likes to kind of play with my stop before it does it. So in this situation, there's a range right here. There's like a fib like right here. So I mean, technically this would be considered like what a break and retest. It broke out of this range, and then you can see where price perfectly comes back, swipes the liquidity, and then dumps. Sometimes when I take this trade, it likes to go to the middle, the 50%, and then dump. This time it didn't go to the 50% this time. After this is where my limit is, but it rejects literally at the top of the range. So it's like, sometimes I feel like that's like the only thing that I have to like everything else is I have a structured plan. Everything else is structured. It's just that the only thing that is uncertain is, do I trade at the beginning, the middle, or the end? Or do I trade at the top of the range, the middle of the range, or at the top of the or hmm. I don't I gotta actually think about how to say that. So should I trade at the initial break? Should I trade at the 50%? Or should I trade at the top of the range? Or at the end of the range? I think the end of the range is it's a better way to word that. So the initial break of the range, the 50% of the range, or at the end of the range. Those are the decisions that I have to make. And sometimes the market likes to play these stupid games. Because if hmm. I mean, metals aren't tough. I mean, when the market is trading like this, it can become difficult. It can become difficult, especially when the market is missing my entries or stopping me out. I just hate that. Just hate it. I wonder if it's gonna come back to that 50%, or potentially maybe even reject that breaker structure right there. Hmm. Because that blue line right there is the break of a major low. This was a major low. We have the market break through this major low. The bulls or the bears haven't held it underneath this low, but we have to respect that if the bears bring it back up, they're going to sell it. Oh, you saying that the metals are tough for you? Well, what are you? Hmm. I guess we can kind of talk about it more tonight because I'm almost out of time for this session. But we can kind of go over what I look for in the metals. Trending days are my worst days. I mean, for whatever reason, no matter what instrument I'm on, trending days just tend to be my worst days. I guess I'm more of a range bound trader. I prefer when the market trades in a defined range. Uh, and the market bounces at points, and just watch for breaks of structure. Identify areas, identify ranges, identify areas where the market could potentially bounce. Draw my fib levels. Trade at the area where the closest fib to structure, and that's been working. The fibs is purely for entries, purely for entries. I do consider if the market makes like a 50% move or a 618% move. I do consider that, because I guess if you're going to trade, I guess the market maker model, anything above the 50% will be considered premium. Everything below the 50% would be a discount, and the 50% itself to be equilibrium. And identifying areas at discount and at premium can kind of help with the entries as well. See, I should have just taken it, man. I should have just took the trade. See, this is what I'm talking about, man. I should have just set the limit right there. Ah, man. Ah, man. Man. Damn. Ugh. Hmm. I should have just sat the limit there. Well, I mean, gain weight. I mean, this is a practice account, so well, yeah, I guess you're right. I should have just even in a practice account, I didn't even set the limit there. I even said that I should probably set a limit there. Okay, I'll agree with you in that situation. You're right. I said it, I just didn't execute, so it doesn't mean nothing. Doesn't mean nothing. Doesn't mean nothing. Doesn't mean nothing. But anyway, yeah, John. So, yeah, I guess we can talk about it tonight. Um, especially with gold, silver is kind of different. The same idea applies with silver, but silver is kind of different. I mean, for obvious reasons. Um, I've mentioned this before, but silver trades how gold used to trade, and gold is just on crack cocaine, heroin, angel dust, fentanyl, all that shit at one time. And that's why it's just going crazy. Uh yeah, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. But mm, but all right, guys. All right, I'm out of time for this session. Uh I'm not proud of my performance today. I definitely I'm not. I'm glad that I'm all locked out. I'm glad that I didn't buy another account in frustration. I almost did. I almost bought another account in frustration, but I did not. I won't. I'm not gonna buy any more evals. I'm just so tired of the eval wheel, the eval hamster wheel. Just tired of it, and I don't care to. I'm gonna buy an eval once all of my funded accounts have been depleted. I'm not buying any more accounts at all. Once I trade my last account, I'm just gonna hop in the practice account and just practice, I guess, until the end of the stream. So, um, mm. so gold. We're gonna fight. Remember, gold stopped me out here. Gold stopped me out, and it moves in my direction. Gold stopped me out and moved in my direction. If I was in a funded account, I would have been stewing all this all day, and I'd probably be at my desk at 4:45, looking to see how I can get my money back and get my revenge on the market. For sure. Mm, mm. He said Newport. He says that's says not your best healer. Yeah. I appreciate that, game weight. Appreciate that, man. I think I did good too. No, I did horrible today. I didn't execute the way that I always ask myself, if my bitch saw me do this, would she be impressed? Nah. She ain't gonna be impressed. I'm just playing though. But all right, guys. I do appreciate everybody that joined me today. I will definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing. I do agree with that, guys. We didn't blow accounts today, so I'll take that as a win. But